QUBT stock is in a strong bullish trend, going by this 200-day moving average that is still sloping bullishly upwards. High prices are extrapolated all the way towards Monday the 23rd of Friday the 20th of June, but there's no guarantee that that will remain the case. It's currently up 8% in the pre-market session of today, the 11th of June. It was also reported yesterday that Jensen Huang of Nvidia indicated that he believes um, quantum computing will solve some interesting problems, and he thinks it's also at an inflection point. Yeah, that's some of the news that is behind the strength we are looking at right now in this pre-market session of today, the 11th of June. Let's look at the 4-hour chart that is currently responding to the spike. So here we see, higher prices, okay, somewhat, 17.82. Outside that, ultimately we have a distributive contraction that is expected to play out. Yeah, so the stock has been it's been printing higher highs, if you like. It's been printing higher highs since late April, and let's see down. Yeah, those there's some downward projections, 16.8 and 15.16. This is its on its 4-hour chart. Let's look at the 3-hour chart and see what we have on the 3-hour chart. We have high prices are extrapolated going all the way towards Tuesday, the 17th of June. We have close to 17.24 in terms of projections. We have 14.8483 downward projection. Previously, this was as of late May, we had projections going all the way towards 19.15. Let's look at the 2-hour chart and see what's going on. On the 2-hour chart, yeah, high prices still extrapolated anyway, but no upper projection. Higher prices are expected to remain in place up till Monday, the 16th of June. Yeah. Let's look at the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, we have upper projections. Yeah, very quite ambitious here. Let's begin with the downward projections, 15.32, 15.66. Upper projections, 17.13, 18.47, and 19.3. We could pick up some if we go back to the 2-hour chart, or is it the 3-hour chart? Okay, we can use the 2-hour chart. Let's have a look at the 3-hour chart. It could be a 3-hour chart. Yeah, okay, we can use the 3-hour chart and then come up with our own projections and maybe compare that with what's at play right now. So we take 16.83 and we 16.83 and we take this pivot of 15.12. So we have a difference of 1.71. So multiply 1.71 by 1.618 Fibonacci extension level. We have 22.766. Add that to the current price of 16.32. So we have 19.07 for QUBT. 19.08 as a matter of fact. Okay, so 1.77 multiplied by 2.618 Fibonacci extension level. We have 4.63. Add that to the current price of 16.36. We have roughly 20.99. Okay, 1.77 multiplied by 3.618 Fibonacci extension level. We have 6.4. Add that to the current price of 16.38. We have 22.783. 22.78. Okay, so those are the projections. I don't think we have seen anything of this sort. There are some projections. I think some $19 projections. Think we have seen something like that. Let's look at day 4 chart. Nothing. Okay, we have nothing. Nothing really. Maybe not. There might be some. Let's have a look at the weekly chart. Was that where we saw anything? No, we didn't check the weekly chart, but we could just have a look and see. Underlying trend here is also bullish. Okay, yeah. Here we have very ambitious projections, and they are even higher than our own projections. We have 25.59, 31.7, 31.17, 41.40, 47.73. Yeah, okay. So this all of these validate our projections. They validate our projections. Yes. Yeah, they do validate our projections. Yeah. Okay. QBT on the move. Jensen Huang of Nvidia thinks or believes it's going to be useful in the future, and I mean the technology is going to be useful in the future, and it's currently at an inflection point. It's going to have useful purposes in the future. So let's see how things go. As a matter of fact, recently it was noticed, or there is it is a fact that Intel is also working in that direction as well, developing it has this developing a 12 qubit chip for Amazon and Google. So if Intel is there, then we are into something. Yes, it's it's we should take it serious. Yeah. Okay. See what you make of QUBT, and thank you very much for watching this video.